You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is the official language of the United States? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. It is English, you may say, and isn't it obvious? Well, in a landmark move, President Donald Trump signed an executive order on March 1st, 2025, designating English as the official language of the United States. This decision overturns a decision from the year 2000, where former President Clinton required federal agencies and recipients of federal help to provide language assistance to non-English speakers. The legal implications are limited or broad, depending on how you look at it. The executive order's broad language is a starting point, which is an open door to future potential legal discussions. However, the implication is also narrow, as the official language only matters in interactions with the federal government. If you are a corporate company, a corporate citizen, and you want to have the proper product liability warnings, you can still do that in any language. Or the other way around, you should continue to do that in Spanish, in French, in Chinese Mandarin, or whatever other languages you use. The fact that English is the official language of the United States does not stop you from product liability lawsuits, for example. Usage of different languages is, of course, allowed under the First Amendment, or any infringement of which language you use could be considered a violation of the First Amendment. So as a global citizen operating in the United States, the strategy is what matters. While English is the official languages, companies should follow state regulations as well as what is your market? What language do the people speak in your market? Who are your customers? Or if you're a machine company, who are your operators? Who's operating your machinery? And then the disclaimers need to be written in that language. Product liability in multilingual settings means that it's your job as a company to figure out who is operating my machine. And safety is one thing, to be in a liability argument is another thing. For global growth, global language go hand in hand. And my quick takeaway today is, while English is now the official language for official government communication, whatever you do in your own marketplace is your choice, and what your organization will do to ensure compliance with state laws is a different question. So what do you do to drive growth through diversity? What do you do to drive growth through different languages? What do you do to ensure that your consumers understand your product?
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.